Alright. And we are now live. Alright. Hey guys, Brett the Jet here, and today we are continuing work on our dungeon. I hope you guys are ready, because I'm definitely ready. I want to try to get the Fog of War code to work, and I had a very big brain idea. So we're gonna see how that goes. Real Game Geek is actually back? No way. No way, guys. Guys, Game Geek disappeared that one time and just never reappeared until now. Yo, what's up, Game Geek? Also, hello, Johnny, and Mr. Fly, and Little G, and Epic, and Foxadoo. How's it going, everyone? Alright, let me, I think we're all good. Don't worry, no donations. Game Geek returned to rematch Oki. That's funny. Well, welcome to the stream, Pick a Shot and BCS. Let's try and see how this code works right now. Because if we go in here, okay, is it permanently revealing itself, or is it just like it's kinda like permanently revealing itself? I don't know. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. So this should be making it visible. Wait, 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. So what if... What if we didn't do place meeting? And or... Okay. Have you ever tried Sea of Thieves? I have. Are you gonna release your game somewhere? I have no idea. I could not tell you, because I really don't know. If I did that, and there isn't collision line. Maybe, I don't even know, bruh. I see that whenever I get out of the range of whenever I don't have line of sight, it actually becomes slightly visible. So hold on, wait. What if we just ignore this? This code should work, right? So if we go over here. Oh, this is a code that makes it visible again. Okay, hold on. What if we... This is what I want to do. This should be the code. Wait, did that work? The line of sight thing? Did the line of sight thing work? It did. Oh. Wait, guys. The line of sight thing works. Wait, okay, that's good. So it's the bottom line that's interfering with it working. We need to do something to where if we don't have line of sight, then it'll go back down. So before we start doing that though, I want to experiment with something. So there's collision underscore line, right? But I want to do collision underscore rectangle. And I want to try to see if we can... You know, it's okay. I missed a lot from last stream, but all I know is the dungeon looks cool. Sick. Let's go. Absolute W. Change my profile picture? Whoa. Said it was fake or something. It was fake. Anyway, of course I can fly. He's a fly, guys. Come on. He's a fly. Minimap? Minimap would be sick. I actually did put that in my list of things to work on at some point. So the issue with this is, depending on the size, Hit 300 subs? Hey, sick. Okay, so we can do something along the lines of like, if it gets scaled up, then... Okay, so how about we do like a regular size, square. So we got a regular size square right here, correct? So if we turn on the turn this back on, we can see that from here to here, without this being scaled up, this is a 64 by 64 block, I believe, right? Yeah, 64 by 64. So we could do x minus 32. I'm going to assume, okay, left side, top side, coordinate of the left side of the rectangle, top side of the rectangle. Oh, okay, so it wants y minus 32, and then it wants x plus 32, y plus 32. And then we could do, what else does it ask for? It asks for the object, so we could do O player. And I think we did, wait a minute. So the place meeting, or the collision line, gives us an x1, y1, and then it gives us another object where we can put x2 and y2 for our player. The rectangle is not giving us that. See, the collision line puts the x coordinate and y coordinate. Meanwhile, this is... I guess we just put O player in it. That's probably fine. Okay, that's probably fine. That's probably okay. I like my cheese drippy. What? What? Okay, alright. What is that even from, guys? You guys know? I just have no idea. So again, let's try this. Or collision rectangle. Actually, okay. That means that I did that wrong. Sorry. We should be able to do that. And then do that. Right? And so essentially we need... Basically, I'm blocking out the regular code or whatever. And then I did a collision rectangle instead. Wait. What am I trying to do? Okay, I don't know, bruh. Because I wanted to replace this collision line with a different type of code. Okay, I don't know. But we're gonna see if this works anyway. It does definitely work. Having line of sight does work. Okay, I wrote that code for no reason. It's fine. It's fine. We can just, delete that. It's fine. So, hear me out, right? It works. Having line of sight of the things actually works. In image alpha. What? What? Alright, alright. What if we did else? Image alpha plus equals 0.07, and we just close it up just like that. What would happen else that happens? Let's see. Oh, collision line doesn't work anymore. This doesn't work anymore at all. 0, unless I touch the X point. Okay. So if image alpha is greater than 0, so it can't go below 0 basically, then we do this. Else if image alpha is less than 1, and hello Iggy, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. We're revamping this code and we're gonna try our best and see if we can do it. So what we need right here would be an and. Well, not right there, but right there. This should be working. Wait a minute. Wait. Something I just realized. If there's no collision line, then it does it. If there's no collision line, is that exclamation mark even doing anything when I have it down? Oh, yes it is. Okay. I wonder what that's even like doing. I don't know. I guess we're gonna see. So having it with the exclamation mark, it actually works exactly how I want it to. Oh. Okay. Dang it! They don't reappear! Oh, that was so close to working. That was so close to working. That was so close to working. Dang it. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh. Wait. Wait, why does that one take so long to reappear? I think... Let me see if I can check their image alpha. Hold on, how many days have I been working on this? Well, if you look at the title, this is my 16th day. Crazy, I know. Okay, so right here we have this invisible object called Fog of War. Correct. And so when we have line of sight of it, it essentially should show the room. If we don't have line of sight of it, it should disappear. So, what's the game called? It's called Dungeon Vale. It's called Dungeon Vale. That's the name of the game. That's what I'm going with. Not changing it. I like that name. Okay, so I want to go back to in here, and where we have our game variables and stuff. In our draw GUI stuff, I should be able to, yeah. If instance exists, Fog of War. We're gonna do this. Image alpha. Perfect. Alright, let's see. It should not be... I see what's happening. But it works. It works. No way. So it's not listening to the number I gave it to not go below. Unless I put the wrong sign or something dumb. If it's less than 1, oh my lord. Okay. How about if it's greater than or equal to 0? No, but that's still not putting a cap on it. Yeah, no, okay. That is putting a cap on it. Hold on. Oh. Now it was just going up infinitely. Hold on. Now it's being completely broken. Hold on. Let's check something. So if we go back over here with our original code that the thing that I just changed, it's on 1. I get line of sight of it, and it just continuously goes negative until we get back down to 1. It is stopping at 1. That's good. So what if I did... This is greater than 0. What if I do... I'm making a series. Ayo. That's cool. I'll try to triple task math homework. Wait, math's homework. BG6 and chat. Oh my lord. Man, that's kind of wild actually. Okay, hold on. Wait. So if image alpha is greater... I did greater than 0 for this. Is there a way to like say, hey, don't go above this number, don't go below this number? Else, if image alpha is less than 1, which that's why it's going negative, I already did that though. I already tried that. Max and minimum functions. Let's look that up. Max value. The first value to compare. Image alpha, I guess? I don't know. Image alpha. Thanks, Iggy. The following values. 1, 0, 1. Well, that's my maximum, right? Image alpha, 1. Minimum. Image alpha, 0. Make a random seed generation? That takes years. Well, that's gonna take me years, anyway. That's gonna take forever, so maybe at some point I'll do something like that. But like, not now, not yet, you know? That could be cool. You guys have a lot of really cool ideas. I like streaming because of this. Because you guys are just cool. I don't want to do... Hold on. There's already a code that makes random seeds for you, so the only hard part is coding randomness. Well, yeah. But you know, okay, how do I don't know how this is supposed to be used, though. How to use minimum and maximum in, you know, code? Variable, so we could do, hold on, let's try this. Image alpha. Equals minimum image alpha was 0. Or do we just do the first value to compare the following values? Oh, okay. Do we just do 0? I don't get it. Or do I do... Okay, hold on. Maybe we do 0 and then 1, and then maybe we don't need the max. So 0, 1, it can't go above or below that, maybe. So maybe we can see if that works. Let's try that. It's already at 0.07, which is really weird. Now it's at negative 0.07. It's only when I'm touching it. Uh-oh, that broke it. What if I remove it again? Oh yeah, wait. We need this to be less than 1. Like we did, like we had it earlier, so it's not breaking everything. Now, if we have line of sight of it, it definitely goes to negative 10. It's just gonna slowly go back down. Okay, so I'm in. Now, what if I add the minimum and maximum? Then it breaks again. Why does it go to 0.07? I wonder why it gets stuck at 0.07. It means that it's only adding once. Okay. I'm wondering. Oh, dungeon. This is an object that I need to add to here. Oh, dungeon door. And then you can go up here to this other one. This is wild. Oh, dungeon door. Perfect. Okay, so the minimum and maximum thing, it kind of did work, but like it wasn't working. I looked it up on how to use it. Oh, wait. Somebody was telling me to use, okay, image alpha equals clamp. Then it says to do like image alpha plus in. I wonder what in is. I wonder why they put in. Image alpha alpha 0 1. Right? Is that good? We can try that. Let's see if it clamps at 1 and 0. Oh, 0.7. Oh! Wait, line of sight actually works now? Wait, guys. This could be epic. This could be legendary. Hold on. Oh! But I still, I mean, I guess I don't have line of sight of that. Oh, that's weird. Uh-oh. That could be weird. I'm not touching it, and I'm touching it. I wonder what's causing that. But no, that could probably be easily fixed. Guys. If I have line of sight, I can see it. If I don't have line of sight, I can't see it. If I have line of sight, I can see it. No way. Guys, after so long, I think we finally have it working. Except for whenever we're in between the 2 points. Then it does this weird little flashing thing. Or the number goes crazy. Now, here's the thing. What's happening is... It should be... wait. So image alpha is if it's less than 1. Image alpha if it's greater than 0. Okay. So clamping it actually did work. I appreciate the advice, Iggy, because I wouldn't have thought of using clamp if you hadn't said that. Okay. Basically, it's gonna keep image alpha between 0 and 1. Okay. What can we do? So if image alpha is greater than 0 and place meeting, so either we have to have collision with it, or we have to have the collision line thing going on. Else if image alpha is less than 1 and we have the collision line, I don't know what the exclamation mark means. I don't know why it makes it work, but it makes it work. I don't understand. It means not, so not true. That's what I was trying to do in the first place. So, if it's not collision line X, Y, O player X, O player Y, which doesn't make sense to me, because it should be checking if there's a collision line or not. What if I did this? This might end up doing some really weird stuff. We're gonna see though. I don't think it changes anything. Also, that's not clamped if it's at 0.07. Also, I can see that it never reappears ever again. So, that's fun. When I touch it, it goes to 0.07. It should not be able to do that though. Which is really odd. That's really, really odd. Okay, well, we know that wait a minute. See, that's going to 0.07 over and over. That's going up to 0.07, by the way. Okay, it's going up to 0.07. Yeah. I'm colliding with it. And I also have a line in between me and thing. If that probably would not work. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. We have a lot of code here. Oh my lord, I did not realize it was that big. Jesus. That's so much. It's checking collision for a lot of things. We're gonna make a variable called image alpha changer. Image alpha changer equals 0.07. So what I want to do with this is I'm gonna yoink this, and essentially anywhere that it says that, I'm just gonna do image alpha changer. Image alpha changer. So now if I want to change those numbers, all I have to do is go into the gray event and just change this to whatever I want it to be. Here's our depth right there. Perfect. Again. Okay, so it works. If for some reason it likes to go down to 0.07, but I mean it works, kinda. So I mean, you know. Oh, I didn't check the corner blocks, did I? And that secret door. And then again the corner blocks. Okay. Checked all that though. So that means we have to add more to this, by the way. Add more to this nightmare. Okay, alright, so... No, not insert. There we go. Oh, dungeon corner wall. I think it's what I called it. Left. What did I call it? Let's go back to walls. Walls, dungeon, corners. Wall, top left. Oh, dungeon wall, top left. I forgot that I deleted the corner part. Okay. Wall, top left. Oh, dungeon wall, top right. Not rough right. Top right. Cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so we have that there. And then right here, we're gonna do the same thing. Bam. That should work. But then we also need to do, yeah. So again, O invis dungeon wall fading. Oh my lord. Guys, this is insane. Now let's see how much line of code we have here. Oh, hold on, zoom in, because I think I messed something up. Oh my. Oh, invis dungeon wall fading. Okay, perfect. Jeez. Now we hide all of it. Perfect. Perfect. This is amazing. What's the software? We're using GameMaker Studios. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back, Fireboy. So, yeah, anyway. But this one isn't flashing. Oh, wait. This one right here is not flashing, now that I think about it. Okay, so here's the issue. Here's what's actually happening. The issue is, since I can't see the X down here, the X value or whatever, it continuously flashes. Well, that's at least what I'm noticing. If I come into the view of the X and I'm still in between both points, then it works fine. Because right now it's 0.07 and it's working fine. Just changing the way this box down here works would fix it, I think. It still becomes an issue. It's still gonna be an issue. Okay, because right there I do have the... Yeah, it will be an issue. I don't like that. Something flashing that quick can burn into your screen. Can it though? Okay. Just revamping it is not gonna... Just moving the way the boxes are is not gonna fix this. So this is our only issue now. Alright, okay, so now what I want to do is trying to figure out why this is happening. I don't think I could see the X, right here. I think the X is... probably like right down here inside of the chest. Maybe, I don't know. So it works exactly how I want it to, so that's good. Again, the real question is, how do I keep it from flashing? It goes from 0.07 back to 0 over and over and over again. What's it for though? I mean, Fog 4 serves a lot of purposes. Hiding secrets. Hiding the room before you've entered it. Lots of different things. What's the game concept? Dungeoneering, I guess. I don't know. Just going around and doing things. Cool stuff. Anyway, so the issue is that this could be greater than 0 and less than 1 at the same time. So both, if it's greater than 0, then it does this. And then it ends up saying, oh, well now it's less than 1. So it's gonna do this. Okay, what do I do here? I'm really trying to think. I wanna... Let's go look at literally any other code where I've been like, if this is less than this, do this. If not, then do that. I don't think I've ever tried to keep a variable in between two numbers like that, though. Actually, there's only one place I can think of whenever I did that. Hold on. Grass path. This right here. If we're on our invisible grass path object, then oh, wait a minute. Where's the speed boost code? Oh, it's in the creative. I think it's in the step event actually. Let's see. rolling, roll distance, attack cooldown, no control, speed boost, here it is. I set a variable for it. What did I set the if global.path check equals 1, then this happens? Okay, interesting. Okay, this is valid, this is valid, this is valid. If we collide with that, global.path check equals 1, else global.path check equals 0. That's just checking it for colliding with something or not, though. It's not keeping it in between a certain value, which means I had to find the code for the other thing. Which, it's probably on, knowing me, I probably put it on the invisible grass path itself, in the step event. Yes. Less than 5.7, greater than 5.6. Uh-oh. Less than 5.7 and greater than 5.6, which is interesting because, like, the only way I managed to do that is because by increasing this one singular time, it gets out of that range. So if we, let's get a MS Paint up in here. Let's get an MS Paint moment. Okay, so what we have is two different things, right? So we have 5.7, if it's less than 5.7. But if it's greater than, so this is our path check, right? If it's, so if P is less than 5.6. Wait, what am I even doing? Okay, this is 5.7. If P is less than 5.7 but greater than, oh yeah, I put the wrong sign there, that's what happened. And so basically what's happening is that P, whenever we add the 1.5 to it or whatever, the 1.5, immediately in one singular line of code, it gets out of that middle range immediately, right? So then it goes up to like, well, it starts at 4, I think. No, it starts at 4.2. Yeah. So basically in one line of code, this running one time, it gets out of the middle range. But you see, the really annoying thing is that I want the code for the fog to do it over an extended amount of time. So right here, let's say we have, okay, so we have, let's get rid of that. Now we have something called image alpha. Okay, that's a visibility of it, obviously. We have greater than 0, but less than 1. Image alpha. So the thing is, whenever I do like minus the 0.07, it doesn't leave this range right here. And that's what's causing the issue. It's still in between 0 and 1. Even if I do it like 3 or 4 more times, it'll still be in between 1 and 0. So now I have to figure out how to write a line of code that won't I have no idea how to do this. I actually don't know how I should write this code, because it's probably an issue with this, and the signs that I'm using. What if I equal to? What if I did equal to? What would happen then? Would it be weird? Yeah, it definitely would be weird. Definitely starts to be weird immediately. Yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to. Stuck at 0.07. What's odd is right now, if we look at this, watch. I think I'm getting a line of sight of it, maybe. I think I'm getting a line of sight of it right there. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's fine. What if we go up here? Oh. Wait a minute, it's not flashing anymore. What? What? Line of sight code still works. It's not flashing. None of it is flashing, in fact. None of it. Nothing is flashing. It's actually working. Guys, it's working. No way. No way. It works exactly how I want it to. See, this is what I was trying to get the entire time. So, hear me out, right? Hear me out. Now we can start to actually work on this stuff. So, hold on. Watch this. So, I don't know why that worked, or fixed it, or what. I don't know why. But, that's alright. We're just gonna work with it. We're gonna leave it. It's okay if it goes below 0. It's okay if the number is somehow going below 0, and it's okay if it's somehow going higher than 0. It's fine. Which, essentially that's fixing our issue, isn't it? I think so. I think that is fixing our issue, actually. Okay. I can see how it could have ended up fixing it. Okay, anyway. Hello, Given Fingers. Looks dope. Congrats on all the hard work. Thanks. I'm very proud of this so far. It's awesome. This is sick. So, like, Brett, are you playing GD? What is GD? What do you mean? I have no idea what that means. Anyway, so now I want to start revamping where we have the Fogs of War at, since they work now. So what we can do is we can essentially put one long line right there, and then we're going to do another one. That's from here to there, and then we'll do one last one, where we put it from here down to there. So now we can change the image alphas. Actually, we can't do that like that. Hold on. Perfect. Let's see how this works. So it looks good. Then I come over here, we can see. Okay, I need to extend that upwards. Other than that, we play Geometry Dash. Oh, Geometry Dash. Oh, GD, that's what you meant. Oh, sorry, I didn't even see you say that. Okay, I mean, it's a pretty cool game, so I mean, maybe. Where's, oh no, okay, here it is. Jeez, I could not find that for the life of me. So this is good. I like that one. That one's in a good spot. How do I want this to look? Do I want this to look like this? No, because when we reach a certain part in the map, the walls shouldn't be visible. Nothing should be visible. Okay. Let's see if that works exactly how I would want it to work. Let's see. So, walking here, it's visible. It's very obvious that there's something over here. So we walk over here. Bam. Cool stuff. Issue is that objects stay above the fog of war, which is not cool. That's not what I want. So we can fix that later, though. Other than that, that closes off how I'd want it to. Extend that one more out this way. And then we can go ahead and make it invisible, because I'm fine with that. Okay. And you gotta like remove all this other random stuff all around. This needs to go one up because we changed. Let's just see how this works. At least how this looks. I mean how it works. Looks. So that obviously needs to be covered. Obviously, this block right here serves no purpose. We could very easily simplify this right here by just making this block just the same size and extending it. Less is better. Less is better. Now, I have this really important thing that I'm gonna have to do. Wait, what the? That's odd. Okay. There we go. Now it's on the box. Okay, perfect. Except it's not. What? Okay. That's really funny. What is going on? We'll just make a new one. So all this looks good. We can change the image alpha on this and it should fix it. And then overall, this should be much better. Right? That's what I would assume. So if we walk in here, we summon, we spawn in. Okay. And obviously we don't have anything put right here, but this is cool. Guys, look at this. It works so well. The only issue is that we can't, cause look, this is kind of dumb. We should not be able to see all the way over here. Yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna keep these as separate objects. So right here, we won. Then we're gonna do this. Okay. So then we'll go to alpha. It's just learning on how I should use the blocks is the interesting thing. The blocks work, I just need to make sure that I'm using them correctly in the first place. Ah, I see. Looks great. Thanks. I appreciate it. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of hard work, but it's paying off. It looks really good. You got a Discord server? I do have a Discord server. Link is in the description if you'd like to join it. Anybody else who has not joined the Discord yet, if you'd like to, it does exist, and you definitely can. So, think about it. Do it if you'd like to. Even if you only want to join for like 5 seconds, you definitely can. So yeah. Anyway, this is looking great. This is looking great. So now I want to start building the rest of these on. And then another separate object right here. Just like that. Perfect. And then we can go ahead and change the alpha of this up. Alright, cool. So if we come over here, this works. Up here works. We unlock this door. It reveals itself. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay. Come over here. We can't see the chest anymore up there. But then we come back over here again and it works. Also, this could be weird. For day 16, this is crazy. Thank you, thank you. It's... yeah, it's... I've spent a lot of time in this. I've spent more than 100 hours, I'm sure, by now. So... But yeah, thank you. Okay, so... One thing I want to fix right now, I want to make sure that this is not... What's the best way of doing this? I don't know. Trying to figure that out. Because again, the blocks work, I just need to get them to work in the way that I would want them to work. Like, that's probably not bad. That's probably not bad at all. That looks better. Obviously, we need to fix that. Your spacing there is really, really odd. You know, okay. So I can do that. I move that up, or did I? Okay, good. Just making sure. And then we need to add another fog of war right here. And essentially, this should go to right here. Actually, maybe even right there. And then I have one more. We'll have one more that essentially is this entire hallway. GameMaker or Godot? GameMaker is really, 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 really good for beginners. So I personally recommend Godot, or GameMaker. I recommend GameMaker to start out with, but do what you wish. I don't know how easy Godot is, but I know it would be harder than GameMaker. And I'm using GameMaker right now. I've made this entire game with GameMaker. If you want to see all the things I've made, I can show you. Here. I'll just start out my game and I'll show you. So, I'm using GM, but it's insanely hard. What is GM? Do you mean GameMaker? I'm using GameMaker. I don't think it's that hard. It's really, really, really easy compared to other coding languages and stuff. So I mean, like, I have my little house here where I could do a camera zoom in right here, right? See how the camera's zoomed in? Now it's just, I walk outside, the camera's out. I have different types of coins, different objects all around. I have sound effects. I need to fix the layering for that. Whoops. Ignore that. We have enemies, literally enemies. We have this where it goes up and goes down when we're on the path, or when we're on the bridge. Pretty cool stuff, pretty cool stuff. We have arrows that kind of track the player. They kind of swerve towards the player. So, I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Ow. So yeah, anyway, that exists. Python is 10 times easier, then you go use Python. I don't know why you're using GameMaker. Python is actually really hard for beginners. I've been told that by people who've been coding for years, so I would not recommend that. So, do what you wish with all that information. That could suck. So we just drag this up and then we drag that over. Yeah. Oh, wait, the X is now down lower because I dragged this down further or whatever. Okay, hold on. That could be annoying. SBS? What's BS? I was doing something and heard Python is really hard for beginners. I need context. Okay, so Scuffy is asking what coding software or like engine he should use to start out. I told him GameMaker is really simple to start out with, and it's definitely probably the best thing for my little tiny brain. But you know. Also, Iggy, I might need. I mean, if you don't have any experience at all, GameMaker is great. That's what I'm saying. If you have zero experience, you should definitely go GameMaker, for sure. And make like a tiny game. Tiny brain. Have you looked at what you have made? That's a masterpiece. A tiny brain could not make that. Okay, thank you. You want to see something cool? See how the walls are white in here? See how the walls are white? Watch this. We load into the game. They're actually blue, and that's because, so basically, the dungeon walls, I changed their color to blue, and now obviously that sounds very simple, right? But here's the thing, since they're like gray and stuff, so I literally, okay, let me go to walls, this wall right here. I just changed the image blend, which basically changes the color of it, whatever, you know? But here's the cool thing about making the walls gray to start out with. I can use the same walls in any other dungeon. All I have to do is change the color. New dungeon. Change the layout of the dungeon and change the color of the walls. And the background and the floor. New dungeon. And I can make my dungeons color-coded, essentially, I guess. I mean, pretty cool stuff if you ask me. Geometry Dash is actually kind of like a game engine now. Yeah, he is right. I could just do that. But this could end up being an issue. Hold on, let's walk up here. Okay, so I can't even see it. That works. So you made a racing game too? Interesting. Okay, hold on. So this, essentially, wait, look. Starts 1 pixel in, or 1 square in. 1 square in. So you have to remember that when we're doing this type of stuff. Okay. Alright, we'll see you, Pick a Shot. Thanks for Been here for a while. It was really fun. Even though you guys like played BT6 the entire time, it's alright. Man. Funny stuff, funny stuff. Gotta love it. This could end up being really good. Let's see how this works now. I just want to see, how does this work? I like how you can make sprite textures in the editor. You can, yeah, it's pretty cool. Here, I'll show you that stuff in a second too. So layering them on top of each other is fine, as long as I can't see them both at the same time. Yeah, that could be an issue. See, I don't like that. I don't know what I did there. Hold on. That could also be a really annoying issue right there. Yeah, okay. So, Iggy, are you still here? Because I would like to see if we can figure something out. Right now, I have the line of sight set to the X of the object, which means it's always in the middle of the square. See, the issue with that is right here, I can't see the middle of it. I should be able to like look at this, and this should disappear because it's checking the entire box to see if it can make a line from me to the box itself. Anywhere on the box, not just the X of the box, which would be up here. Any part of the box. Is that possible? Instead of, because I'm using the code collision line. I'm using collision line to do my checks to see if I have line of sight. Say Minecraft. And you still spelled chunks wrong. Oh man. Anyway. So yeah, I'm using collision line. Or use Minecraft code? I'm not using Minecraft code. That's so lame. Why would I steal code from a popular game when I can just write my own code and make my own game? Like, bruh. Very chunky word. The idea about chunks isn't bad. I just want it to be if my character has a line of sight with any part of the box, then that can happen. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. Shouldn't be able to use the room. Okay. So let me show you. So there's two cases in which case this should appear. This line right here, ignoring the key. One is line of sight. Right, line of sight. Number two is actually touching the box. When you shouldn't be able to see the room. Yeah, there's just two conditions. You can actually see it, which is it's just drawing a line from the X of the actual object, which is right here. In the middle. Line from me to here. It works, so it makes it happen. Now I can see in there, right? So that's number one. Number two is if I actually touch the box, then I should be able to see it. So look, you see how how I can't see through there? That is what I did. Look. It is bigger room, smaller fogs. See? I did do that. You think I should just make the hallways like that? The hallways might work like that if I do it like that. That's not a bad idea. Okay. The hallways too. Yeah, okay. You know what? That could probably work. Because, I mean, everything else seems to work exactly how I would want it to. So, I mean, you know. Also, Iggy, you want to see something cool? I don't know if you were here for it the other day, but, like, right here. Bam. The secret room! And then you just walk back out to leave. Pretty sick, I think. Oh man, funny stuff, funny stuff. Whole secret stuff, secret everything, secret room. Yeah, see what I mean? You know, I can see how that is something that I can do. Can you walk into the top of your walls? I want to see how the hitboxes work. Yeah. So I can show you the hitbox of my actual player. Hold on. I can change the hitbox on my character and everything else. So like on my player, I actually have the hitbox only at the bottom of the player, not at the top, because obviously, you know. Bam, right there. How in the world are you supposed to know that secret room is there? It's a secret room for a reason, buddy. That's the secret, exactly. So yeah, just this little box right here is a collision box that I have set. You can draw the sprites in here. It's really easy. You can change your colors. You can give a specific hexadecimal color code. So let's say I want blue. So I could do 0000 FF. Now I got blue. If you like a specific color, you could do like, you know, add some random stuff. Bam, you got your specific color now. Cool. You can draw big things, small things. Like I said, small things you can draw. Here. You can draw something as stupid as a capybara, which it wasn't stupid, it was actually really cool. The secret room can only be unlocked by liking this stream and subscribing right now. I think guys, Margaret has a point. Margaret has a point. So yeah, anyway, you can draw something as small as this, or as large as this. Look at how small that line is compared to the rest of that. So, you know, it's just up to your imagination, and the drawing is amazing in here. So I'm a fan. That only went to my right ear. It says ear left. Man, as long as you don't lock it as an achievement, it's okay, I guess. What do you mean? I'm not gonna make it so obvious that you're like, oh, there's a secret room there. That's cool. I'm not gonna do that, bro. That's lame. It's a secret. It's in the first dungeon. It's just a secret. It exists. Ow? I'm just too good. I'm just too good. Man. Okay, so what was one of our issues? I just had an issue not too long ago. Let me go back and look so I can try and figure. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. Hold on, wait. This needs to be drug upwards like that. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna reload the game because, yeah. Also, this is my main menu screen right here. Look, capybara. I'm gonna change it. So soon enough, there won't be a main menu screen that looks as ugly as that. So, we'll get it changed. Anyway, you are right, Iggy. I could just do it how you were asking. Seems to work fine to me, except for the fact that, again, I'll put its own separate object right here. Cool, perfect. This could be sick. So we'll do another object just like that. And then we'll have another. Ah, yes. Yes. Okay, I get it now. Like it's like the old Geometry Dash Sub-Zero's old first coin. If somebody finds a playthrough and shows you if there's a hint, they'll be like, ooh, that's clever. Instead of WTF. I'm so confused. Okay, whatever. I don't know. Alright. Okay. Okay, alpha down to 0. We can still see through it. On here. Back down to 0 again. I'm playing GTA 5 story mode right now. Decided to replay it because I was bored. Hmm. Interesting, interesting. Makes sense. Yeah, no, we should just do it like this. That's fine. That'll work. Did I, remove all the old ones? No, I didn't. Oh, no. Okay, hold on. Let's, go back to Fog of War, and let's see how many objects are in here. Okay, let's kind of track them down. Let's see. Okay, that worked. That's perfectly fine. That's exactly how I want it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Alright, so now alpha down to 0. And then we're gonna add the same exact corner block to right here. It's that simple. It's that simple. And they'll have another little block right here. Same size, same everything. And they'll have another block, which is literally just the exact same thing again, but right here instead. And then we need one for the middle section right here. So what we can literally do is take this block right here and just put it right here. Wait. Yeah! Okay, let's see how this looks. I kind of don't like that corner being there like that, but I mean, it's just whatever. Okay. So ignoring that exists still, that's an unfinished part of the map. I like the fact that I'm making it obvious that, yes, there's another path over there. Go over there. So, another path over there. Go over there. You know, it's this whole type of thing that's like... Also, that's weird. I don't know if you guys can see that extra pixel hanging out. That happens a lot for some reason in Game Maker, which is fine. I'm fine with it. It's whatever. It's not the end of the world. So yeah, just make the vision radial? Nope. I don't wanna. I like this idea. I like this big brain idea. I like it a lot. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with that? I like that personally. I think this makes the game really, really cool. I like this. This is nice. By the way, remember I was making a game, I had the whole spell system working, and I now realize that it doesn't fit the roguelike genre, so I have to delete like 80% of the code and redo it all. Oof. Oof. That's rough actually. What? Also, I do need to fix this. It looks cool, but kind of weird. I don't know, my brain likes it, but my eyes don't. It is a little weird, yeah, but I mean, I think it's cool. Also, I have this issue of, again, the X. So I'm gonna have to move this over and do some weird stuff. Like this. We could just do that. New thing, we'll have to hit every single wall when Brad releases his new game to find, I don't know, 0.1 of a coin? What? Bro, it's literally a secret area with 3 entire chests in it. Of course I'm not gonna make it easy to find. Duh. Why would I make it really easy to find? That's lame. Like, look. Also, I like the you walk in and everything is gone and it's just you in the chests. It's like, whoa, what? No way. I am not putting anything there. It's gonna look like that. I don't care. Plus, why does it matter to you? Because, like, it literally, if you ever play the game, you're gonna know that secret's there because you just whined about it for like 3 hours. When and what are you gonna name your game? When am I gonna name my game? I did it a couple days ago. What am I gonna name my game? The name of my game is called Dungeon Vale, and so I was just gonna call it Dungeon Vale because Dungeon Vale sounds cool, but then I realized I could veil the dungeon in a veil of fog, and it fits the name. I'm veiling it in fog, you know, like this is fog essentially, which is really cool. I think it's a great idea. So yeah, anyway, so dungeon, I do need to work on more dungeon parts, but other than that, this is great. I love everything so far. This is awesome. And I like how, here's another thing that I really, really love, which I've already mentioned like 300 times, but it's okay. If we go over here, watch this, ready? There's nothing there. Now there's something there. I think that's pretty cool. So 2 issues really, really quickly that we need to fix with the fog before we do anything else. Number 1. Objects go above instead of behind. Can you rename your project? I think so. So yeah, it doesn't want to go behind. It's always in front of. Now, is that a good thing? I don't know. It could be a feature. Enemy pixel ration? 8x8 or 16x16? What do you mean? I kind of just like draw them, which is probably not a good thing. This one has a really horrible sprite, so we won't look at that. We'll just look at the slime for now. We'll just look at the slime. So if we go over here in my slime, he's 25x25 essentially. Enemy pixel ratio, yeah, I don't know. This guy's just 25x25, I don't know. He just kind of exists. And my skeleton is 17x24, which is still 17x25 because see how there's not an extra space above? My slime has 1 extra space above even after he finishes his jump. So 17x25. The skeleton's just thinner. So I guess 25. I guess 25x25 would be the ideal enemy size. Which again sounds really odd, but I mean, I did it like that, so whatever, I don't really care. The game works and it functions like I want it to, then the game works and it functions like I want it to. Hello there, Adrian. Howdy. So yeah, anyway, I think that this is good. Also, I'm gonna do it how I did it earlier with the hallways up above. How dare you portray the slime as the weak enemy? The slime should be the strong protagonist. Weak enemy. Wait, what? I know, I didn't call him weak. I just said he's the only enemy that I've actually finished and I feel proud of. The skeleton's actions and stuff are really cool. I like the way the skeleton works. One of the issues with the skeleton right now is that he looks so horrible. He just, his sprite is not very well drawn. I just drew it in a hurry to see if I can get the skeleton code working. I'm planning on redrawing the skeleton at some point, but yeah, no. Should I make this more obvious? I don't think I should. I think I should leave it how it is because it's funny. Man. Maybe I should actually, I have an idea. We're gonna extend this downwards. Now you're probably like, why would I do that? But like, see, here's the thing now. We run all the way down, again. We run all the way over here. Now if we walk over here, it still looks normal, but we walk in here, and this is still revealed to us. It's still revealed, and it looks very cool. I like that. I like that much more. Yeah, yeah. Oh my lord. Wait. Oh, that's funny. That's funny, actually. Should I leave that? Should I leave that? I did not even realize that. I feel like I should leave that. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should I... I could fix it very easily. It's just a matter of whether I should or not. I think that's funny. Nobody's ever gonna be like, I wonder if there's another cool secret over here. Even then, even if they do want to go over there and check it, they'll be like, what the heck? So. Also, that does break the top. Maybe we can extend it upwards. Man. Alright, hold on. I found myself rolling a lot to get to my next destination. Okay, yeah, that doesn't cause any issues. Cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, this seems to work exactly how I would want it to, so I'm in. I don't see an issue with it. Perfect. So now what we can do is we can continue our little dungeon making. So what we're going to do is, let's see. I want to continue. Maybe I don't want it to do that. Maybe I want it to do this and curve towards the right. I think that's exactly what I want it to do. And then we can like, oh, I needed to do it like that, yeah. And I'm doing this on the wrong layer, by the way. Whoops. Cut. Go to all walls, and then do it. Perfect. Alright, dungeon wall right here. Move that out of the way. So in here, I want to pose like some sort of like enemy fight. This is your first enemy fight, probably. Unless you fought enemies outside of the dungeon at some point. So yeah. Walk in, there's enemies. Cool, that's awesome. The question is, how do I propose the tutorial to people? I don't know. I guess I'll think of that later. Anyway, close all of that random stuff. Tiles. Oh, dungeon tile. Which needs to be on the other layer. Hold on. That's fine. We can work on that in a second. For now, though... Oh yeah, the left wall. Of course. Of course. Not that one. The wall that says right on it. That's what I was trying to do. Hello, Johnny. Welcome back. Welcome back. Howdy. And I still need the right wall. Or whatever. That one. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. obviously that's not how that would work. I need the corner. It'll transition into this. Yeah, that. Thanks for the tip about the hitboxes? Of course. Anyways, I gotta go to bed. I hope to join into your stream again. Sick. Alright, I'll see you later then. See you, Scuffy. Is this a boss fight room? I said dungeon, not entrance and leave. This is not the go into the dungeon, get a key, get some chests, go fight the boss and then leave. Like that's not enough. Like literally, let's say this is a new playthrough, right? Okay, I go into the dungeon or whatever. This is a dungeon. Whoa, I do some action in here. I get the key. That's cool. I come over here. I open this chest. That's cool. I come up here, realize that this is the boss door. Actually, technically, no. This is not the boss room because you asked it for the room downstairs, so it's boss room. So yeah, anyway, I come down here. We fight the boss. We're done. That was a really boring dungeon, wasn't it? So no, we are nowhere close to having this dungeon even remotely finished. Not even remotely finished. It's nowhere near. That's not gonna be the boss room. That's gonna be another room with enemies in it. That'd be a really boring dungeon if that was all it was, you know? 2, 3, 4. Then we could do this again. Oops. I meant to drag it there. Are you gonna make the chest need a key to unlock? Maybe I'll have a certain chest that requires a key to unlock. I'm not really sure. Yeah, just making sure that those are on the same thing. Okay, perfect. Now. So we had one big room right here, right? Now I want to add another big room right here. And in this room, I want to have, like, not in here. Hold on. Actually, we need that corner block or whatever. Not that one. The other one. There we go. Okay. Now if we obviously we can fill in the floor with more dungeon tiles. Sick. In which case we can actually just that. And then we can do this. Bam. And then since that's half of the room, we should be able to literally just do this. There we go. That lagged for a second. I was making a lot of tiles. As you can tell, we have a lot of tiles. So, you know, I'll make like a rarer chest. I'll make a chest that I don't put down as often. That'll have, you know, it'll be a golden chest or whatever. And that'll drop like a lot of coins or something crazy. Maybe I can make it to where there's a really, really, really rare chance for an enemy to drop a chest, like an entire chest, like the enemy just drops a chest down on the ground. That could cause some issues, but what do I know? Oh man. Okay, so in here I want to pose another threat or challenge. So what if you had to get key fragments, like big key fragments, and then in your inventory you had to craft the components together in order to be able to access the dungeon door for the boss fight door, which would be right here. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool, I think. Also, how much space do we have for the dungeon? We have a lot over here. Oh my lord, okay. So again, I want to branch off of here, like a puzzle room. Yeah, I suppose so. Like, I mean, this is the dungeon, right? This is the dungeon that we have so far. Like, I lit it up. Welcome to the stream, Bad Boy Wyvern. Like, but anyway, dungeon. We explore cool stuff everywhere. Really, really cool. Really, really sick. This would be like the boss door or whatever. And that needs a key. But what could happen is you have to go around and find different key pieces to the key in order to get the be able to craft that key together and open that door, which would be really, really cool. But again, I'd have to come up with a key, like a whole entire crafting system, which I wouldn't mind doing. It'd be really cool. That comes later, probably. Alright, cool. And then again, we can start working on this. This goes down further. And we'll probably have like spike traps and things on the way down here. Lots of hallways, as you can see. The rooms really, I mean, they kind of don't make sense, but it's alright. Oh, man. Like, I mean, really cool boss room will be right here. Yeah, okay. And if I need to extend the space to have more, I can. And I will. Okay. How? You know what? We don't always need our hallways to be 2 blocks long. They can change size, I'm sure. So what if we did that? Longer hallway here at the bottom. Are there any finished mobs yet? There actually is, yes, but we have one finished enemy. Well, I guess none of them are really finished because their pathfinding sucks. But if I like, let's go to instances, put down my slime. That's too big. I'm at 3x3. We have slime and we have skeletons. I think I made the skeletons 4x4. Okay, anyway, so these are enemies. So first off, the slime essentially jumps towards us, which is really cool. We can roll through them if we need to, or we get hit because we're bad. But either way, their pathfinding really sucks. As you can tell, because you literally just got stuck right here. Literally, but yeah. Considering I literally had to try and lure him into here. So, that exists. Then we have skeletons that shoot arrows. Oops. We can either do that or we can roll through them. And that exists. So pretty cool stuff, pretty cool stuff. So enemies are a thing. I just need more enemies. That's my issue. I definitely need to make more enemies. For day 16 is impressive, really? I'm trying to get into game making too, and it's really hard for me to learn. It's pretty difficult, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. But what I recommend is just using Game Maker. For me, Game Maker has been like a dream. Like, it's made everything so easy. Make the hallway even longer. And we'll have like fire traps or something crazy right here. It'll be a pretty long hallway. We'll probably make it shorter than this, which is fine. Alright, yeah. And like right here, I'll put like some spike traps or something. Yeah, I just gotta make the spike traps and stuff. Okay, oh, tiles. Okay, cool. So for the most part, we've got a pretty nice looking dungeon. This should connect to another room, which then, you know. Do you do everything in Game Maker, like model, animate, script, all in it? Yes, actually. So like, look at this, right? So for my arrow, here's the code that I use for my arrow. I have different events. This runs once, whenever the object is created. This runs every frame. So that's pretty cool. This should be round. Round range or something like that. Is there something that I can make it round? If it rounds to 0, round. If I did this. If direction... Nah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, anyway, I can't think of what I would want to do right there. Spicer also made in the engine? Yeah. Import it. You can import things that you draw if you want to draw elsewhere, but I like Game Maker's drawing. So like, for example, I drew this entire slime in here. Like, I drew this. Like, if we zoom in, each pixel I drew this. Pretty cool. So if you want to make games, probably figure out how to do the drawing at some point. But like, it's not important. I just like to draw, so I just started drawing things and it looks good. So, so yeah. Like trees, I drew all these trees. My player itself, you're gonna have a lot of player stuff to mess around with, because I mean, like, there's my player. If you want him to attack, ignoring the red, because you have your regular player, right? Now let's say you want to have him move. You want to have your player move around. He can't just move around while looking at like this and sliding across the ground looking like this, right? He has to have an animation where he's walking down, an animation where he's walking to the side, an animation where he's walking up, and you know, so you have to draw all these things out. You know, you can't just like not. Now, obviously, you could just go onto the internet and look up like free sprites on the internet or whatever, which that exists. That is a thing that you can do. So, just steal some sprites off the internet and use them as like a placeholder until you can draw your own. But yeah, I mean, that exists. Really, really cool stuff if you think about it. A lot of time and effort definitely has gone into this for sure. For sure. For sure. I have a lot of time put into this. But yeah, no, I mean, it really is a lot of work. It looks like there's an extra line there, but it's not. That doesn't exist. Okay. Okay, we'll get a corner block right there. At least like 130 hours into it so far? Yeah. Yeah, like I've put a lot of time in. Also, welcome to the stream, Jojo. Sorry I didn't say welcome. Howdy. How's it going? We got an hour left, by the way. So we got an hour left to do this dungeon. Get some things going. It's going well so far. We figured out the code for the fog. We finally got the fog working. Took forever, but we did it. Now, the cool thing is that since we have the fog of war here, the players won't see this stuff. The players literally will not see this stuff. They won't see the room that's literally right next to it, which is so funny. Oh, walls. Uh-oh. I can't press on these walls because let me guess. That's what I thought. Whoops. Put them on the wrong layer. Whoops. Alright, hold up. X. Paste. There we go. That actually pasted in the correct spot. Cool. Only an hour. Have something to do today? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in, like... I have... Okay, so... I'm still in school. I'm a senior in high school, so... I wish I didn't have anything to do. I would just stay here all day and code, honestly. But a couple issues with that. One, some people would rather not watch me code at all to begin with, which is really sad. So there's one thing. Some people just don't like coding. I don't know. It's weird. Hello, Zyander. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Also, thanks for subscribing. That's awesome. Let's go. Absolute W. I have a sub counter pulled up. It's the only reason why I know. Obviously, I don't know who it is, but you know, it was somebody who is an epic Chad. So I mean, here we are. I'm Zyander, not Stats. Oh my lord, I said Zyander, bruh. Same thing, same thing. You mean like family don't like it? If so, that sucks. Also, I subbed. Sick, let's go. Thank you for subscribing. It really supports the dream. That means that now we're 23 subs away from 1.4K. I'm excited. I think he means his normal viewers. That's exactly what I mean. Yeah, I mean, the issue is that a lot of some of my viewers would rather watch me play Bloons Tower Defense 6 than this. That's one of the main games that I do play on my channel. Bloons Tower Defense 6, I play Roblox, I play Elden Ring. I need to do the new DLC, by the way, which I still haven't done yet. I need to get that scheduled up for some time. What else? Ooh, actually what we should do is... Wait a minute, we should drag these. Whoops. Drag these to over there. Perfect. I see, I just stumbled on this channel looking for developing stuff. Makes sense. Yeah, no, I get that. I feel like it's always been a challenge trying to find people who are interested in the same stuff that I'm interested in. Cause like, I don't know. I mean like, I don't know how I should put it. Never mind. Anyway, we're gonna see if this looks cool. Obviously, for now, we are going to be able to see in the bottom right. If we go to the bottom right of the map, no matter what, we are going to be able to see this. That's fine for now. This could be cool. I like this big room. This is kind of scary. Maybe I shouldn't make it so big. I don't know. What do I know? Making the dungeon at the very least would be really, really cool. Getting the dungeon made, the layout of the dungeon made is fine. Minimap showing the unexplored areas? Probably. I mean, that'd be really cool. So yeah, I don't see why not. Alright, everything looks good. These big rooms kind of scare me. I need to add different things to them to make it look fine. Like maybe like a pillar. Maybe we could draw out a pillar. Should we draw out a pillar, or should I just do something along the lines of like this? I could literally just do something like this. What did I just do? Okay, that makes sense. That's actually a good place to have that. What even is that? Okay, I don't even know. We could just do something along the lines of that, though. Like, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Something like that. On one. I meant to do that one. If I just did that, what the heck? That'd be so weird. I just want to see what this looks like. I'm putting on the wrong layer again, bro. Oh my lord. Whoops. Okay, cut that. Again, paste it on the walls layer. Jeez. Dang it. Okay. Anyway. All this for one person? Oh, I didn't even see that message. I just scrolled up. Yeah, I mean, it has been a lot of work. I haven't even shown you the rest of the place, have I, though? That looks really ugly. Man. Obviously the door is not gonna be the fireplace. That's a very weird place for a dungeon. I'll change that up later, but, you know. For now, that's what it's gonna be like. I'm playing Bear Alpha and I forgot you existed? Whoa. That's kind of wild. Oh, man. That's valid though, that's valid though. Is it or is it the most genius place for one? It could be the most genius place for a dungeon ever to exist in the world of Fortnite. I mean, what? I don't know. I'm done, bruh. I don't know. I mean, it could be cool. So I could always do it like this too. Actually, that looks really bad. I lied. You know, I might just make like pillars. That doesn't look terrible, but probably could be better. Let's look up dungeon pillars. Inside 8-bit game, I guess. Or like 16-bit. I guess maybe not 8-bit. Let's just look at examples and see what they do. So, really cool. What are they doing here to fill up space? Let's see. Nope, I don't want to make an account. I just want to look. Open link in new tab. No, not link. The image itself. Can I just do this? No, I can't. Ugh. Bruh. I can't even really see that. I can't really see that from here. I don't know. They fill it with random, like, objects on the ground and stuff. Like, I mean, that's basically it. Like, it's cool. Spike trap. That's a good idea for a spike trap. I don't know if you guys can see any of this. It's really small for me. Torches, moss, cracked floor, so little details. Yeah, it's like little tiny details. Okay. Could be cool. We could do something like that. That right there. I mean, that looks like a pipe with like... That wouldn't be a bad pillar, I don't think. Open image in new tab. That's what I was trying to do. Jeez. Okay, so if we look... They put like random barrels and pots on the ground where you can just... Pots would not be a bad idea. We should definitely draw some pots if we get the chance. For sure. You know what? Let's freehand some pots right now. I don't even care. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it right now. Hold up. So we're gonna go to breakables. Great. Sprites. Oh, we're just gonna draw something. We're gonna make it, we're gonna work with 32 by 32 for now. I'll make it smaller though. In fact, it probably should not even be that big. Probably 24 by 24. Cool. So what I want to do is I want to have it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So get the basic shape. Basic, very basic shape. Could be better. 1, 2, 3, bam. Okay. So obviously it looks a little short and stout, which is fine actually. Do something along the lines of that, right? We could. So that's my idea. That's my idea right there. That's the idea of what a pot should probably look like. Kind of like fix it up a bit. I mean, kind of like that. The top comes out too rough. They'll do like that. Probably like that. Adrian, welcome to the stream. Remember me, I am Mary Marat. Mary Marat? Interesting. Let me think. Were you, I feel like you've come a couple times on the coding streams. Maybe I saw you on Roblox. Oh, Murray! Oh, yeah, of course, obviously. Okay, I was like, wait a minute, what? Murray, yeah, Murray. Hello, Murray. I was like, wait a minute, who is this? But no, okay. This could be a good little pot design, I think. This could be pretty cool. Okay, let me think. So if we want to make a pot, we're gonna have to make like a ugly, kind of like darker color. What do you guys think about that? That could be a good base color. Kind of looks like a purse. I mean, kinda, yeah. Funny stuff. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to get a really dark color for the outline. Whoops. This is the color's outline. It's basically the same color, but like darker. Of course. Now watch this, right? Alright. So we're gonna get this color, and we're gonna make it a bit brighter. Just a bit. And essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. No way. Okay, it's a little ugly, I think, still. I don't like the design of it. Hold on. Maybe we can raise it up a bit. It looks... We have different time zones to go to school. I like to drop off at the stream. What do you mean by drop off? What do you mean by that? Okay, hold on, maybe we could do like that. Still looks really bad. Hold on, let me look up, let's see what some of these pots look like, at least. That's not bad. It's not what I'm looking for, though. Some of these are really weird. Okay, like, that looks nice. I don't know how they managed to do that, but that looks cool. Maybe we could use that as a reference image. Hold up. So I need to be raised 1, actually, maybe even raised 2. Oh, maybe that was it. Maybe that was what I needed to do. Maybe? Maybe. Hmm. Just look at the stream real quick before I go to school. Ah, makes sense, makes sense. Okay. Yeah. More like an open top? Okay. Bed. Okay, still feel like it looks like it's way too high. Oh man. Okay. This is really actually kind of hurting me. I'm really trying to figure this out. I can't wait to hit this with my sword. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna make me feel better about my drawing, because then I won't have to look at it. Okay, so we could go with a slightly darker color than this. So we'll go with 40. What we're going to do is just this. Not bad, not bad. Okay. I do think it's very funny, by the way. This looks really weird. I could literally, if I wanted to, call that a finished product, but it looks so bad. I think the top needs to look a bit bigger than the neck or something, rather than no neck. So you're saying like it needs to like go inwards. Hold on, let's redo the top. Let's redo the top. Okay. So we got the bottom. The bottom looks cool. It looks nice. But then the top needs to like kind of like go inwards. Like that. Not with that color, not with that color. We'll do a black color, obviously. No. So obviously, yes, we'll have this, right? And then... Oh, okay. On the lid, just doing outline in black is what's making it look out of place? Yeah. Plot code on the lid. Let's see. Let's look at this. It definitely goes up, but then the circle extends downwards. Okay, hold on. We can use that. We can use that as a reference. So it goes upwards, but then the circle extends downwards. Which is what I was doing in the first place. Okay, hold on. Yeah, but you didn't have the lip color, you just have the black hole. Got it. Okay, hold on. Where did I just put that? Okay, here it is. Let's see. So, shading on the thing. Okay, hold on. Maybe we try to do this. This might be weird. We'll see. I'll fix that in a second. So right now, this is what I have now, right? Cool stuff. But we're gonna copy and paste this color all around. Also, we're gonna fix this. So now we have like a lip around it or whatever, right? So what I want to do is I want to do some sort of even brighter color. 69. Let's go. Time when 3D would be easier. For sure. It's made it much better already? You think so? I think if we look at it from afar. Hold on, let's look at the thing again. So they go with a generally brighter color than the actual pod itself. And plus the pod doesn't have enough design yet, so I think we could work with this. So hold on. So if we work with this color right here. $69 is not gonna work, guys. We're gonna need a brighter. And then right here we can do kind of like a you know what I think, guys? You know what I think? I think it's too thick. Hold up. From afar, what do you guys think? A little more highlight on the bottom round part? You think so? Okay, we can do that. But like from afar, what do you guys think about that right now? Much better than first attempt? Bet. Okay. Alright. So hear me out, right? Whoops. So we're gonna clear all of that. We're gonna keep that color. But then we're gonna do this. Or not that. I don't even know what I was just trying to do, bruh. That was the idea, to make it look round at least. From far to me, it looks like a brown slime with a satellite Terraria, but it's way better than original. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's see here. So, instead of doing what I'm trying to do, what if instead we actually just have like a circle here? And then it becomes a slightly darker shade. Like this shade should probably dominate the entire pot, just about like this. Probably about that much of the pot should be that color, right? Trust. And then we can like I mean like that. That could be cool. That's not exactly the idea I'm going for, but what color is this? This is 50. So we'll get 45. And we'll do like some more like But so bald, what do you mean, bro? Oh my lord. Oh my. Okay, this needs to be extended outwards more. So like, we need this to be like way more out. Does this look good? What if we didn't do this? What if we did this? I think that looks better. Personally, I think that looks better. No, I don't think it should look like that. That looks a bit ugly. I'm not a fan of that anymore. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that shading coming together if you look at small picture on left. Hey, actually, you're so right. Hold on. If we just place it in the dungeon. Fat pot. Okay, so we just place it in the dungeon. It actually doesn't look too bad, I'm sure. Actually, we need to make it an object. Hold on. Breakables. Create. Fat pot. Maybe line pattern? Add a line pattern? Okay. Pod. Fat pot. Place them in the corners? Yeah. Yeah. Oh lord. Wait. They're so small. That's alright. Now it's as big as a character though, maybe? Let's go see. But they break. They're like the big variant. That's like gonna be a big variant, like a big pot variant, like big fat pot. And then we can do like make them less random. Nah. Never. 6 foot pots. We could have a pot that has like a very thin neck. You know? Yeah, we'll do this. Hold on. Pot with handle? Exactly, guys. See, now you guys are thinking like big brainers. Now you guys are thinking like big brainers. Alright, we got 30 minutes. We gotta hurry up. We gotta speed run. Okay. So, in my old flower, I have if HP is less than or equal to 0, then it makes it an effect of some sort, right? I'll work on that later, but for now, it's fine. Character's like 3 feet, so does that mean the pots are bigger? They are the pots the bigger, yes. That did not work. Place the objects in the room, right? Not anything else. Like a dumb guy? Oh, wait. The parent needs to be, objects. Parent objects. P breakable. There we go. Now when they break... They break. Oh. Oh, wait. When health is less than or equal to 0, then something happens. Cool. Wait, okay. So if we go to, like, the grass, for example... What happens is the instance gets destroyed. It makes a sound. And then it makes, a random coin spawning thing occur. So fat pot. So instance destroy. Hold on. If HP is less than or equal to 0. HP, which is capital H and capital P. Okay. Then it plays the instance. It destroys the instance. Okay. It destroys the object. It plays a sound, which will change the sound to something else later. Probably like a pot breaking sound. And then it does the random coin spawning. Perfect. I just don't feel like writing it in. We got a speed run. We're speed running right now, boys. In the pod, in fat pod. I want that specific right there. I like it like that. Okay, so if random coin is greater than 75, then it creates a coin. Else, if random coin equals 69, then it does some crazy stuff. If random heart is greater than 90, then it makes a healing heart or whatever. Anyway. I think the pot should be more like line. Oh, like an L. You mean like like that? Or should I space them out more? Oh no. I don't know. We're gonna have them everywhere. We're gonna see what happens. Let's go, boys. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, I know exactly what that error code was. Yeah. They can sometimes drop 2. Games are like going to the gym. Consistency. Then give it 2 more months. You're going to be doing this easily. Easily. Okay, so we're gonna have random coin equals... I forget. I put like random range or something like that, right? Put random range Round random range, that's what it was. Yeah. So we'll go back to the pot. Should pots drop hearts too or no? What do you guys think about that? Yeah, drop hearts? Okay. Random heart equals... Oh. Round random range 0 through 100. Is there any other method for hearts? Breaking grass gives hearts, so I'm in. So it's doing what I wanted to do. That's good. They should always drop coins, so it's just a matter of how many coins. That's my thoughts on it. Instance destroy. Repeat random range 1 through 3. Ah, that's how I did it. Okay, yeah, we could do that. We could yoink that. Hold up, boys. Very important. Both virtually and not virtually. Do you think bread is bald? Yes. Oh my lord, bro. What? Alright. Brett don't need microwave. He walks outside and the reflection from his head cooks food for... I'm done, guys. You guys are the bald ones, right? Jeez, bruh. Okay, actually, we're gonna do this. You guys are fat, bald guys. All of you. Every single one, except for JoJo. And Boy Wyvern. Did you learn to code on GameMaker? Yes. GameMaker Studios has this really they have their own really easy to learn coding. That's like really cool. So anyway, I like to spawn way up top for some reason. What did Boy Wyvern do? I didn't say anything. I said except for him and him. Anyway, oh, I know exactly what's going on. Duh. Oh my lord, I never put the middle of the object in the middle of the object. Duh. Duh, guys, what am I doing? Idiot Eric. That's okay. He looks in the mirror, but his head has too much reflection. Oh my lord, bruh. If I had a bald head that literally was so... That's wild. Okay, so obviously they don't make a pot breaking effect, which is kind of boring for right now. But it's fine. You can change that in default settings that all new sprites will start middle center. Really? How? Where? I don't even know where the settings are at, bruh. You know what? You're the bald one. You're the bald one, Mr. Manly. You're the bald one. Okay, sign in and register. Sign in a GameMaker. With your Opera account. I don't even use Opera, bro. What? Okay, whatever. What is this? Oh, it's random stuff. Okay, not important. Anyway, Guys, I don't see what I'm looking for. Preferences and sprite editor? Ah, sprite editor. Yeah. Default sprite origin, middle center. Jojo, do you think Brett is bald? Oh my lord, bruh. Have you heard of the sponsor of the stream? I don't have a sponsor of the stream, but what do you guys think of, okay, hear me out. Theoretically, hear me out, guys. What if I got sponsored by, like, one of those mobile games that, like, you know, where you build the towns and do all that? What if I got sponsored by that? Would that be cool? Would you guys hate me? I hope not. No? Okay. Like, if I got sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends and I had to do a stream on Raid Shadow Legends, would you guys... would you guys be upset? I feel like some people would be upset with me. Hey bro, get your bag. Pick any sponsor, get that money. Okay, alright. I just, you know, I mean, sponsors are cool. I'm poor. And having money would help me out with paying for internet. And you guys, I wouldn't have to bother you guys about donating so much, you know? Did I ever make them solid, by the way? I don't think I did. So number one, solid. They're now solid. They now have collision. Cool. Now, their hitbox needs to change as well. Jeez, my throat is like really like... Ugh. Well, yeah, I was gonna put them on the edge. Yeah. Of course. Not automatic, manual. In fact, I should do that. Yeah, that's right. Obviously, they're not gonna be in the middle of the room. I don't think he's the exact world design right now. No, not right now. I'm just getting the pots to work. Hey! Yes, the collision is nice too. Look at that. We can go behind the object. Big pot means that we have to go behind the big pot. Duh. Why would we not, guys? Duh. Okay. Need a crouch so you can hide. Bro, that'd be wild. Okay. A, B, C. Oh my lord. Okay, so this is good. This is good. This is cool, right? Oops. Okay. One more thing. Pod particle. S pod particle. Bro, his legs are too short. What's the point in the crouch? Yeah, he needs to just lay down. That's the issue, guys. He needs to just lay down. Okay, we're gonna copy this color right here. Copy that, and we're gonna just store that color right there, right? And now we're gonna go to our other thing, hot particle. This one is what? 7x7? Okay. Yeah. I think that's a little too dark, maybe, for particle effects. Maybe, I guess we can make it like... Bam, you know? Like, that's not too dark. No way you can do 5x5 law. I can do 5x5, watch. Watch this, ready? we're gonna go into particle systems, and we're gonna make a whole new particle system, right? And we're gonna call it particle system hot particles. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Sprite, and we're gonna add our S-pot particle sprite effect to it or whatever. I thought you're making another particle or another pot. I was like, huh? Yeah, no, I named it pot particle for a reason. That'd be so funny if it was a 5x5. Oh man. Okay, anyway. It needs to be a burst, not a burst. It needs to be like a whole bunch. 9. And then we need to make sure that it has gravity so it goes downwards so they land on the ground. Yeah. Oh my lord. Okay, turn the gravity up. Or down, I mean, I don't know. Oh my... Wait. Wait. Okay, trust, guys. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Trust. You guys gotta believe me. You guys gotta believe me. Oh my lord. Okay, life needs to go way down. We'll do like 10. Maximum is like 15. Yeah? There we go. Hi Brett. I can't talk much. I got school. Bye. I see ya. This makes it uncomfortable. So you could actually draw like a little pot chunk and spawn those, right? I could, yes, I could. That could be a good idea. Okay, interesting. You know what's really funny? That's pretty cool. Yeah. You know what's really, really funny though, guys? See these particles? You see when they disappear, right? Whenever they disappear, I can make them turn into something else. Oh my lord. So whenever those particles despawn, they can turn into different particles if I really wanted to do something crazy like that. So, you know. They also have built-in particles that already exist in the game, by the way. So, it's pretty cool. Oh my lord. Embers, that's pretty cool. Okay, that could be really awesome. Okay, I like that particle effect. This one's called GM Embers. It's the first one, not the second one. Particleception. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Just fade away. That's so cool. So whenever it bursts, just do like a quick little bam, broken, uh-oh, type of thing, you know? How do I make them land on the ground though? I've never been able to manage to make the particles land on the ground and stay still. Like I always have to set a timer for when they despawn. Otherwise they'll just continuously fall down. Continuously. Never ending. And it's kinda annoying, so. Okay, well, anyway. We're just gonna run with this. We're just gonna yoink, Ah, there it is. There's that useful, beautiful button. So now, what I wanna do is, right here. Bam. Let's go. We'll tab to make all that go up, and then 13 point. Oh no, okay. We're just gonna see what happens. We're just gonna try it. If it looks good, cool, it looks good. If it doesn't look good, then we'll change it. It's not running the particle effects at all. Okay. That's interesting. Oh wait, it is running the particle effects. See, the thing is, I did it. Oh, fat pot X. Oh, fat pot dot Y. It was doing it at the middle of the room, which literally means it was like doing the particle effects like way down here in the bottom right-ish area. Okay, it's still not doing it though. Okay, never mind. How do we do it on the grass? Oh, I just did X and Y. Okay, I could do X and Y. S grass particle. That is the great thing about making games. You can do anything. You can do anything, make anything, do whatever you want. So, you know, pretty cool stuff. What is this last one? The pitch? Oh, it's the pitch. Got it. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Particle system. Duh. What is Breadbox Live? I have no idea. They're being weird. They're talking about weird stuff. Particle effects. Like a burnout thing? I don't know. I think he's being weird. He's just being weird, saying weird things. I don't understand. Also, we don't have to put ofatpot.x because this is the fat pod. So it's just X and Y. X and Y works. Now what I'm confused about is why it's not even like showing up. If HP is less than or equal to 0, and it does all this stuff. Oh, grass, same thing. Instance destroy. Play sound. It's snowing next week. Hey, sick. Snow sounds cool. I'm in California in the north part, where he rarely gets snow, by the way. I'm pretty sure. It's just really sad, but it's okay. It's alright. Guys, I think it's playing the particle effects. It's just... that's it. That's it. We're scaling it up. We're scaling up the effect. So if it is playing it, I will see it somewhere. It is playing the effect. The effect sucks. The effect sucks. Oh my lord. You scale up the grass, I think? Nope. I did, bro. You're so right. What am I doing? Okay. So, the particle effect sucks. Direction? Okay, we're just gonna redo the particle effect. It's fine. Uh-oh, we got 5 minutes left. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Chat knows best. What a guy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Alright. We gotta hurry up. Okay, so now we need to add a random direction to it. It could go this way, or go all the way up to that way. Now let's see what happens whenever we turn it on. That's not cool. That's not cool, bruh. I wanted to choose a random direction. Either it goes left or it goes right. See, that could be good. I don't know what I did there, but... California's burning right now? Yeah, I heard about that actually. Very, very unfortunate. Also, Okay, what do I do about this? I really don't know what to do about this. Linear? Gaussian? Inverse Gaussian. Inverse Gaussian. We'll do, Eagle. Hell yeah. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Pop the flame arrow? Whoa. Okay, hold up. Okay. I don't know what that means, but okay, it's okay. Particle effects are kind of doing what I want them to do. Gravity. Where's gravity? Where's gravity? Gravity. Some of them are going up. Like, what? Should some of them go up? I can change their speed to go up more. Oh my lord. Okay, hold up. Jesus. Does the wiggle number change the randomness to wiggle between those two numbers? I think so. So like it would like wiggle left and right, I guess. I don't know how I want to have the effect, honestly. I guess we can work on this later. It's fine. Oh my lord. Pixel. One singular pixel of... Ooh. Okay, so some of this could actually end up being really, really cool. Anyway, we'll go back to our pot particles. Anyway, I think we could end up making the pots look really, really nice. We could do some really cool stuff with this, I think. Alright. So, we got much more of the dungeon done in the time that we had. Let's see. We fixed the fog. Oh my lord. That fog, the fog not working was so annoying for a little bit. But now it works. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the fog working. Ignoring this. This is just an unfinished part of the map. We could just add a pot breaking sound effect and that would actually probably work better. Duh. The fog works really, really well now. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, that's so cool. Isn't that so cool? I just realized that I made something over here too long or something. So I can see that there's two things being drawn here. Anyway. Really cool stuff. Really awesome. Totally a secret that nobody is ever going to find, ever. Man. So funny. So funny. Nobody's gonna find that. Nobody's gonna find that unless they've watched the streams. So, you know, when the game releases, you'll know where that secret is. Hear me out, you know? So, anything other than that? Not really. So is there like another fog thing under here that I'm missing, that I'm just not seeing? Something weird is going on right here. Are you apologizing, Mark? Oh, did I fix it? I don't know what I did to fix it, but yeah, like, look at this. Oh, I guess... Okay, it's because my character is X. Yeah, okay, I see. It just it looks a little weird, to be sure. For sure. It's like, I can do the same thing right here, too, if I just... Wait, what? Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Guys, I don't even know. That's wild. I see it. I do see the little line right there. You can tell. Okay, anyway. It does work, though. Everything's awesome. This is great. So far, the dungeons are really, really cool. I plan on adding some traps. Next time we'll do traps, we'll start working on more rooms. This is a gigantic room, by the way. We'll have to do a lot of decorating. We'll have to start decorating the dungeon and making it look good, at the very least. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. It's gonna be really, really cool. So, yeah. Other than the fact that there's, like, floating pots ahead of the smoke rather than behind the smoke, everything is overall really, really good. I'm liking this. This is sick. Alright, so a couple things before I go. Number one, thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate you guys being here. Like, this was so fun talking to you guys while coding. Because there's a lot of people, really, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, most of my coding streams only have like 1 or 2 people in it at all times. Today we've had 10. We have 10 right now. So thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate it. And having you guys to talk to is just really awesome. So, you know, I just wanted to show my appreciation for that. Next, we also have a Discord. If you'd like to join our Discord, link is in the description. I have a lot of notifications, like always. If you join, we have a lot of chats in here. Like, we literally have a dev chat to where you can talk about stuff. We have about coding stuff and whatever. We have level channels for if you level up, you can talk in there. The more you talk, the more you level up. Pretty cool, honestly, in my opinion, at least. I don't know. If you end up joining the Discord, and let's say you want some merchandise, I have merch. I have just this one shirt for now, because we just started doing merch. If you want merch, this exists. Just talk to me about it. I can help you out with getting merch. You know, pretty cool stuff. What? Anything else? Can I think of anything else? I mean, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for being here, guys. I really appreciate it. So if you guys enjoyed the live stream, do all the things I said, be a part of the community, you know? And yeah, I will be seeing you guys in the next live stream. Peace!